Every time I talk about a forecast and every week I go in the next week, it's already dated. But one thing is clear, it's the trajectory is very positive. To me, vertical integration is very, very important. It's not just vertical integration, I think it's the circularity also. We in Epsilon are very big on vertical integration. We do our own precursor with our parent company, and then we produce graphite anode here in India. So we are not reliant on any other, we don't import anything. We are doing the battery materials, we're doing recycling, and we will do the power, the charging infrastructure as well.
China, right, as such, like there's a lot many companies like are produced in the top 10 companies like who are there, producing cells with over capacities and all. I'm looking for that LMFP cells, like are one of the good bet to meet this kind of ACC requirement.
Supply always follows demand, and I think if you create supply without demand, you create the wrong type of supply. Progressively move that from manufacturing in India to making in India to design in India, and I think that's sort of the sustainable way for us to sustain our own manufacturing excellence and design excellence. So we've always played catch up when it comes to the diesel world or the petroleum world. But EV, there's an actual global opportunity to sort of take lead. This industry will have a lot of collaboration. You'll have startups doing their thing, you'll have large industries doing their thing, and they're fundamentally different things.
We're a little bit late, but late gives you an advantage, actually. There's a huge advantage there. And the advantage must be looking at failures elsewhere and learning from those. And the success of Huawei in telecoms, it was successful because, despite what Ericsson and Nokia was doing, because it invested heavily in technology, heavily in R&D. You start with technology partnerships and you have to move slowly into creating your own IP. Massive plus point in India, though, I should say, is recycling.